want to unbox and review this very small helicopter. It's as big as my dad's finger. Let's open it. You open it from this side. Wait, it's very hard. Okay. This is the helicopter manual. And, okay, this is the helicopter. It's very tiny. Ooh. Okay, let's open it. Wait. Oh, wow, it has hinges. This is the helicopter. This is the helicopter. It has a really nice design on the front. It's very small. Look. It's very small. And then we have a charger in the remote. And so this is for the analog. The smaller one is for this one. Wait, it's very sometimes. Come on, get in there. Okay, and wait, come here. Like that. Wait, let me just close this up. Like that. And this one is for this side.
And nicer.
Like this. On top you have the lights, the power. You have lights. You have this on-off switch and the A and B switch. Here you have two analogs. This one is for your throttle, I think. Up, down, forward, backwards. Wait. Right, left. Okay. Left, right. Yeah. And then, we also have a power indicator, R and L. I don't know what that does. And this, you can point it up, down, up and down, side to side, up and down as well. And on the back, you have a battery compartment. It requires 4 AA batteries. That's my dad. 4 AA batteries. And don't forget the mini charger. I think I already said that. And I'm gonna try to fly it. Okay, wait. So the helicopter, to turn it on, there's a very tiny switch there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's over there. And just a white light will flash. And once you've turned on the remote, wait. There, this light will turn on the remote. The red light. To connect to the aircraft, pull this down and up. Whoa, it turned on. That means it's connected. And I'm gonna try to fly it. Give me go. Oh.
Be careful your face.
Oh, it's really hard to go. Whoa. It was pointing to me. Wait. Let me see if I can turn it. Yes, I can turn it. I'm scared. Can I move it forward? Yes. So these propellers move to go up and down. And this propeller on the rear turns to go forward or reverse. I'm going to try it again. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to back up so it doesn't crash to me. Whoa. It flew out of the camera. Let's try that again. Test flight 2. Whoa. It flew out of the camera again. Come here, come back, come back, come back, come back. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. It's very durable as well. I do not know how to go down slowly. Descending is the hard bit, but
Mama,
going
Mama.
up is very easy. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I'm just gonna back up or pull it forward so it doesn't crash. Oh, I got it! Whoa, Okay, I'm gonna try to. Don't come to me! I don't know why it's moving backwards. Oh, oh! I got it! Go forward. Don't!
Mama.
Yes! I got it! I know how to control it, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a bad takeoff. Come back, come back. Oh! Slow down, little drone. Wait, no, not drone. Helicopter. Don't go to the sofa.
Mama.
Okay, I'm gonna try to take it off. Whoa. Oh, it's easy to land actually. I landed it! It's awesome. It's a very awesome little helicopter. Whoa, come back. Land, land. Oh, that was a bit of bad landing. Wait. That's also bad takeoff. I recommend flying it on smooth ground. So I'm gonna use this as the launching pad. Wait, it has a hole. I can't use this. I'll put it here. Oh, it's a really nice helicopter actually. I really like it. Oh, great landing, although it landed sideways. Oh, what happened? It won't take off. Take off. No. Okay, I think it needs some more altitude. No. Come here. Wait. Okay, that's good. Yes! This is the helipad. Come on. Wait. What's wrong? Wait. I don't know what's wrong. It won't take off. It keeps falling. Okay, guys. I'm gonna try it again later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you guys next time. Bye.